Hello everybody. Just got back from a road trip. Just got finished picking up this grapple for the skid steer. So this is looks like it's the name brand is MTL. It's a rotating, hydraulically actuated rotating skid steer grapple. So as you can see, it kind of goes over like this and attaches to the bracket back here. So now this will allow me to pick up things and move them around if I need to, and sit them on a trailer. So right now I'm just trying to get all the hoses and fittings connected. This is the electrical circuit to switch between rotating and clamping, so that I only need one circuit. This is my one circuit right here, my two connection points. So this is my hose going back to that connection, and this is my wire going to my my switch there. And so now I have the wire back here. I'm going to clean all this up at some point, but right now this is how it came, with a ton of cable. And this is the actual switch that I put here, so that if I need to go between clamping and rotating, I can just push that switch. And then this is my actuator. I hooked it up briefly and then realized, to the battery, I briefly realized I need to put a fuse in there. So I need to put a fuse in my, let's see, it's right here. So I need to put a fuse right there, so that if there's a problem with the wiring, or if this shorts out somewhere, the wiring won't burn up and catch on fire. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a minute, and then once I put it in, put the fuse in, I'll show you what it does. But it's very beefy. It uses one hydraulic cylinder in here. See the cylinder? Looks like all the points are have grease fittings, and there's a grease fitting there. And this metal plate here prevents items from hitting my connections. So like I say, it looks like it also rotates too, without having it connected to anything. It'll still rotate, but it's a little difficult to turn by hand, but it can rotate. But let's see if I can push it back. Yeah, so, but yeah, I'm glad I have this switch box here to switch between modes. So I only need one set of lines here. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate here in a minute once I put the fuse in. So that's pretty much it. Like I say, I can easily pick up wood with this, move stuff around with it. It shouldn't be too hard to use. I've never used one before, but you know, during daylight, I'll take another video showing it actually operating and pulling stuff with it. I think it weighs like 400 pounds. I'm not sure, but the machine does a good job with it. It's picking stuff up. I mean, it doesn't seem to be flipping the back end of the machine up or anything. It seems to be doing a good job with that. So, and like I said, this is the first time I've actually used the auxiliary hydraulics with this machine. Seems to be working well. I'm just hoping that I'm probably going to go in and redo all the hydraulic hoses in this machine, and then that way I don't have to worry about that. But this is a brand new Grapple, so I shouldn't have to worry about hydraulic hoses. I just need to clean up my wiring here to make it more nicer looking here. But yeah, it should do whatever I need it to do. So I'll come back with another video actually using it outside, and see you then.